Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to delete your Coursera account directly from the Coursera mobile app in a clear and simple way. This method will help you permanently remove your account. Unlink services. First, open the Coursera app on your smartphone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the profile option. Then, find icon located at the top right and tap on it. After that, scroll down until you find the Delete Account option inside the Settings page. First, you need to unlink your Google account by tapping on Unlink Google Account. Then, confirm the unlink process by entering your password and tapping Continue. Next, go back to the Delete Account section and tap on Delete Account. Finally, confirm the action by tapping Delete Account again and entering your password to complete the process. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and support the channel.